How to change units in SolidWorks. Hi, this tutorial is going to help you change the units of your SolidWorks document. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see the current active units in your document. So, in order for you to change it, you can go to Options. Then select the Document Properties tab. Then choose the Units option on the left. After that, you will see other units options that you can choose from. You can customize it with any units you need for your SolidWorks document. For this example, I'm just going to choose inches. Then click OK. You can now see that the active units have been changed. A more quick way to change units is to select directly on the bottom right corner. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more SolidWorks tutorials and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.